Hi there! Today I'd like to discuss how to block Google Drive sharing files using xFanatical Safe Dock. While Google Drive's sharing capabilities allow for easy collaboration, unrestricted sharing can lead to distractions, unauthorized file distribution, and potential security risks. In educational settings, students may misuse file sharing to distribute inappropriate materials, collaborate on assignments in ways that circumvent academic honesty, or share content outside the approved channels. By restricting file sharing in Google Drive, administrators can ensure that files remain secure and that students focus on their own work and maintain a secure digital environment in line with school policies and academic integrity. So how to block Google Drive sharing files option? That's where xFanatical's Safe Dock comes for the rescue. Safe Dock automatically manages file sharing permissions to prevent unauthorized sharing among students. If a student tries to share a file with both classmates and a teacher, Safe Dock will block access for the classmates while allowing the teacher to retain access. Setting it up is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for Safe Dock, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, by enabling the Block Drive Share policy, you can remove the share options in Google Drive easily. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.